Hey guys, today we'll see how to get quick refund on missing items from Swiggy Instamart. Hello, namaste. How you all doing? Hope you're all happy. Fine. તમે કેમ છો? નલા இருக்கீங்களா? आप कैसे हो? Yes, let's get in the video now. Guys, don't skip the video. Please watch till the end if you want really quick refund. Okay, let's go. As you see in the picture, while placing the order on Swiggy Instamart, make sure that you take a screenshot as shown in the picture of all the items you're going to order. And next, what you do is, after placing the order, when the order is due for delivery, you go check out all the items that you have in the order list. If there is any discrepancy or missing items, then in there you can cancel the order. If anyone wants to know how to cancel the order, you can go check my video in the I button and screen and description box. Okay, coming back. Now you can take a screenshot of all the items as shown in the picture, which are yet to be delivered, making sure that everything you have ordered are in the delivery list, right? Okay, after the delivery is made, before opening the Swiggy bag, make sure that you pull out the bill that is attached to the Swiggy bag and check with the details or confirm with the details of order you placed, and if it tallies in total and items, you can open the bag and check with the items. Now if you find any items that are missing in the Swiggy bag, now take a screenshot of all the missing items along with the screenshot of a bill as shown in the picture with the missing items marked up. After taking the screenshot of the bill and the missing items, you go to Swiggy app as shown in the picture. Click on the profile icon. After clicking on that, you scroll down and tap on Instamart and go to the order for which you want refund on your missing items. After clicking on the order, you see help button. You click on help. You can chat, as you know. You can select an option and chat, but if you want immediate response or refund, you got to write a mail to Instamart support@swiggy.in as shown in the picture. You can write a mail in this way saying that you want refund for your missing items along with the screenshots of bills attached to your mail as what you have ordered and what you got. Makes all the difference here to get refund. Okay, if you see any price changes of items while ordering and after ordering, you can mark those areas also in the bill and submit or attach to the mail and send a mail immediately on the same day of your missing items on Swiggy Instamart order. Now after sending the mail, you got to wait for 1 or 2 hours. Then you will see a reply mail coming from Instamart, and refund for your missing items will take 2 hours or max 6 hours. That's it all for today. If you've got any doubts, ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Have a good day and keep smiling.